Jai Hind. Myself, First HP Independent Company NCC Nahan. HP SDA 18 291617. Under Officer Snehil Atri. From Dr. Y.S. Parmar Postgraduate College Nahan. I would like to give my some views on NCC training. NCC is a tri-service organization and a most respectful organization which grooms the youth of our country in disciplined and patriotic citizen. The cadets are given basic military training in small arms and drill. At present, NCC act as an extra co-curricular activity, but shortly NCC is introduced as a general elective course and become a part of academics. I would like to thank Ministry of Human Resource Development, Director General of NCC, University Grant Commission for offering NCC as a general elective course. According to me, it will be very fruitful in future. At present, there is an imbalance created between NCC training and academics. The major issue in front of cadets is that they cannot be able to maintain a balance between their NCC training and academics. But when NCC is introduced as a general elective course, it will create stability between NCC training and academics, because then NCC itself a part of academics. In NCC, we have a lot of resources like PA staff, ANOs and CTOs, but we cannot utilize them fully due to lack of time arrangement to NCC training. But after including NCC as a general elective course, we are able to conduct regular classes of NCC so that we can utilize the potential of all the resources fully. In last year, as we are the cadets of final year, we prepare a blueprint for the maximum utilization of resources, but due to COVID-19, we are not able to conduct proper NCC classes on ground. But by the help of our commanding officer, recently retired Colonel Joginder Kumar Sena Medal, our CTO Sir Dr. Sarita Bansal, we conduct regular online lectures by the senior cadets, by CTO and our PA staff, as well as the use of DGNCC app, which proved as very fruitful for us. Whenever regular NCC classes will be conducted with the physical presence, its result multiples many times. NCC cadet earns his C certificate after a lot of hard work, and as a result there are a lot of opportunities offered by the central government in field of defense and among all the services by the central government. But in the state services of Himachal Pradesh, there are no such type of benefits are provided to the cadets for what they deserve. So, if state government gives some of the basic benefits like reservation or bonus marks to the NCC certificate holders, it will increase the courage of NCC cadets many times. I am very thankful to my commanding officer, our CTO, our PA staff, my seniors, my colleagues and my juniors. And I am feel very glad and lucky to be a part of such a beautiful organization like NCC. It grooms my personality very effectively. Thanks a lot. Jai Hind.